When your Metabo HPT battery refuses to charge, the key is to troubleshoot step by step instead of assuming it's completely dead. Start with the basics. Make sure the battery is fully seated and locked into the charger. Confirm the charger is plugged into a working outlet and inspect the battery terminals for dust, rust, or debris that could block proper contact. Next, press the fuel gauge button on the battery to check its remaining charge. This helps you understand whether it's fully drained or still holding some power. Pay attention to the charger's LED light signals. A solid red light usually means normal charging. A slow flashing red light typically indicates the battery is too hot or too cold. A fast flashing red light often signals a defective battery. Temperature is critical for lithium-ion batteries. If the pack was just used heavily or stored in extreme cold, let it return to room temperature before charging. Also, make sure the power tool switch is turned off during charging. If possible, test the battery with another charger to rule out charger failure. If it still won't charge, you can attempt a reset by briefly jump-starting it with another compatible 18V battery. Connect positive to positive and negative to negative for about 15 seconds to reset the internal protection circuit. Some models may also have a small reset button near the indicator lights. If none of these methods work, the battery may be permanently faulty. Check your warranty coverage before purchasing a replacement.